Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect the Audible app to Waze. First, we have to open up the app, and here it opens up in the... From here, we just have to go into the profile menu, and then it opens up like this. Then we tap on the cog icon in the top right corner, and then we tap on connect to other apps. And here we have the only available app right now, which is Waze, and then we can just tap on connect, and we are going to be redirected to the Waze application because we have to confirm this connection in that application as well, and we have to have that application as well. But yeah, that's how we do it, and that's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.